The amazing benefits of transcendental meditation transform your mind, body, and life. Imagine waking up every morning with a calm mind, a joyful heart, and a deep sense of inner peace that stays with you throughout the day. Imagine handling stress with ease, making better decisions, sleeping peacefully at night, and feeling energized without constantly depending on caffeine or external motivation. While life today is filled with deadlines, notifications, responsibilities, and endless distractions, there is one ancient practice that has helped millions of people reconnect with their inner stillness. That practice is transcendental meditation, often referred to simply as trademark. For decades, people from all walks of life, including business leaders, artists, athletes, educators, and individuals seeking greater happiness, have turned to this meditation practice to improve the quality of their lives. Although everyone's experience is unique, many practitioners describe feeling more balanced, focused, and emotionally resilient over time. Transcendental meditation is a simple, silent meditation practice that is traditionally taught by certified instructors. During the practice, a person silently thinks a personalized mantra while sitting comfortably with their eyes closed for about 20 minutes, usually twice a day. Unlike practices that encourage concentration, visualization, or controlling the breath, trademark is intended to allow the mind to settle naturally into a quieter state of awareness. Many practitioners describe this as a deeply restful yet alert state in which mental activity becomes quieter while consciousness remains awake. Whether viewed through a spiritual lens or a wellness perspective, the central intention is to allow the body and mind to experience profound rest. One of the most widely discussed benefits of transcendental meditation is its ability to reduce stress. Modern life exposes us to constant stimulation. From work pressures and financial responsibilities to family obligations and digital overload, the nervous system is rarely given an opportunity to completely relax. Even during sleep, many people continue processing worries and unresolved emotions. Over time, chronic stress can affect physical health, emotional well being, relationships, and productivity. Meditation offers a structured opportunity to interrupt this cycle. Many people report feeling calmer after regular trademark practice, and some research suggests that meditation may help reduce markers associated with stress in certain groups. While individual results vary, cultivating regular periods of deep mental rest can contribute to an overall sense of balance. As stress gradually decreases, many practitioners notice improvements in emotional well being. Rather than reacting impulsively to situations, they often describe responding with greater patience and clarity. Daily challenges may still arise, but the emotional intensity attached to them can feel more manageable. Instead of becoming overwhelmed by every problem, the mind begins developing a greater capacity to remain steady. This doesn't mean difficult emotions disappear completely. Rather, meditation may help create a little more space between an event and a response, allowing wiser choices instead of automatic reactions. Another remarkable benefit often associated with transcendental meditation is improved mental clarity. Many people spend their days jumping from one thought to another without realizing how mentally exhausted they have become. Constant multitasking, social media, and information overload fragment attention and reduce the ability to focus deeply. Regular meditation gives the brain an opportunity to rest from continuous stimulation. As mental clutter settles, many practitioners report that thinking becomes clearer, creativity feels more accessible, and solving problems seems easier. Ideas that once felt hidden beneath mental noise may emerge naturally during the day. Creativity is not limited to artists, musicians, or writers. Every human being benefits from creative thinking, whether solving workplace challenges, raising children, building relationships, or making important life decisions. Many trademark practitioners report feeling more imaginative and innovative after developing a regular meditation habit. A relaxed mind is often better able to recognize patterns, connect ideas, and discover solutions that might be overlooked when the mind is tense or overloaded. Instead of forcing inspiration, meditation creates conditions in which fresh insights can arise naturally. Another area where many people notice change is emotional resilience. Life inevitably includes setbacks, disappointments, and unexpected challenges. Emotional resilience is the ability to recover from these experiences without remaining overwhelmed for long periods. Meditation does not eliminate life's difficulties, but many practitioners find that it helps them navigate those difficulties with greater steadiness. Instead of feeling controlled by external circumstances, they begin experiencing a stronger sense of inner stability that supports them through both successes and challenges. Sleep is another essential pillar of health that can be affected by chronic stress. Millions of people struggle to fall asleep because their minds remain active long after they have gone to bed. Others wake frequently during the night or wake feeling tired despite spending enough hours in bed. While trademark is not a treatment for insomnia, many practitioners report improvements in sleep quality after establishing a consistent meditation routine. Because meditation encourages deep relaxation during the day, the nervous system may become better prepared for restful sleep at night. Better sleep, in turn, supports mood, concentration, immune function, and overall well being. Many people are surprised to discover that meditation can also influence physical energy. When stress remains elevated for long periods, the body uses significant energy simply maintaining a heightened state of alertness. Even if a person is not physically active, mental stress can be exhausting. By allowing periods of profound rest, meditation may help reduce this unnecessary drain on energy. As a result, practitioners often describe feeling refreshed, mentally lighter, and more energized throughout the day without increasing their workload or changing their schedule. Relationships often improve when individuals become calmer and more self aware. Communication becomes more thoughtful, listening becomes easier, and emotional reactions become less intense. Family members may notice increased patience, coworkers may experience more constructive interactions, and friendships can deepen through greater empathy and presence. Meditation cannot solve every interpersonal conflict, but cultivating inner calm often supports healthier communication and more compassionate responses. One of the less obvious yet deeply meaningful benefits of transcendental meditation is increased self awareness. Most people spend much of their lives focused outward, meeting expectations, solving problems, and responding to external demands. Meditation offers a regular opportunity to turn attention inward. Over time, practitioners may become more aware of their habitual thought patterns, emotional triggers, strengths, and values. This growing self awareness can support personal growth, helping individuals make choices that are more aligned with what truly matters to them. Many practitioners also describe developing a greater appreciation for the present moment. Instead of constantly replaying the past or worrying about the future, they become more capable of engaging with what is happening right now. Everyday experiences such as sharing a meal, spending time with loved ones, walking in nature, or simply taking a quiet breath may feel richer and more meaningful. This growing sense of presence can contribute to greater life satisfaction and gratitude. Scientific interest in meditation has grown significantly over recent decades. Researchers have explored how different meditation practices may influence stress, attention, emotional well being, cardiovascular health, and other aspects of human functioning. While research findings differ depending on the study design and meditation technique, there is growing evidence that meditation can be a valuable component of a healthy lifestyle for many people. It is important, however, to view meditation as a supportive wellness practice rather than a replacement for appropriate medical care or mental health treatment when those are needed. Perhaps one of the greatest gifts of transcendental meditation is that it reminds us something profound. Peace is not necessarily something we need to search for outside ourselves. In the middle of a busy world, beneath layers of stress, worry, and constant activity, there is the possibility of experiencing moments of deep inner quiet. Regular meditation provides an opportunity to reconnect with that stillness again and again. Although the benefits may unfold gradually and differ from person to person, many practitioners find that the cumulative effects become increasingly meaningful over months and years of consistent practice. What begins as 20 minutes of quiet sitting each day may gradually influence how we think, feel, work, love, and experience life itself. As a regular practice begins to take root in daily life, many people notice that the benefits of transcendental meditation extend far beyond the 20 minutes spent sitting quietly with closed eyes. The effects often begin to appear in everyday situations, in conversations with family members, during demanding meetings at work, while navigating heavy traffic, or even when facing unexpected setbacks. Instead of feeling constantly pulled in different directions by thoughts and emotions, many practitioners describe experiencing a greater sense of stability that remains with them throughout the day. This growing inner steadiness becomes one of the most valuable rewards of maintaining a consistent meditation practice because it influences nearly every aspect of life. One area where many practitioners report noticeable improvements is concentration and sustained attention. We live in a world where distractions compete for our attention every second. Smartphones, emails, social media notifications, streaming platforms, and continuous information overload have made deep focus increasingly difficult. Many people begin several tasks but struggle to complete any of them with their full attention. Over time, this fragmented way of living can reduce productivity and increase mental fatigue. Through regular transcendental meditation, many individuals report that their minds become less scattered. They often find it easier to remain focused on one task at a time, complete work more efficiently, and maintain attention without feeling mentally exhausted. This improvement in concentration can benefit students preparing for examinations, professionals managing complex projects, entrepreneurs making strategic decisions, and anyone seeking greater effectiveness in their daily activities. Mental clarity naturally supports better decision making. Every day we make hundreds of decisions, ranging from simple choices about what to eat to life-changing decisions involving careers, relationships, finances, and health. When the mind is clouded by stress, fear, or emotional overload, decisions are often reactive rather than thoughtful. Meditation encourages a calmer mental state from which clearer judgment may emerge. Many practitioners describe feeling less impulsive and more capable of evaluating situations objectively before taking action. They begin responding to circumstances with greater wisdom instead of reacting automatically from habit or emotion. Over months and years, these seemingly small improvements in decision making can significantly influence the direction of a person's life. Another fascinating benefit that many practitioners describe is increased emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence is the ability to recognize, understand, and manage our own emotions while also understanding the emotions of others. This skill plays a major role in healthy relationships, effective leadership, teamwork, parenting, and personal happiness. Individuals who meditate regularly often report becoming more aware of their emotional patterns. Instead of suppressing emotions or becoming overwhelmed by them, they learn to observe feelings with greater balance. This increased awareness allows them to communicate more effectively, resolve conflicts more peacefully, and develop deeper compassion for themselves and those around them. Many people also notice that anxiety begins to lose some of its intensity. Anxiety often arises when the mind constantly imagines future problems or repeatedly revisits past experiences. While transcendental meditation is not a substitute for professional treatment of anxiety disorders, many practitioners report that regular meditation helps them experience greater calm and less mental overactivity. The practice provides a daily opportunity to step away from the endless stream of worrying thoughts and experience moments of profound mental rest. Over time, this repeated experience of inner quiet may help cultivate a greater sense of confidence in handling life's uncertainties. Another important area of interest is cardiovascular health. Chronic stress is known to affect blood pressure, heart rate, and overall cardiovascular well being. Researchers have investigated whether meditation practices, including transcendental meditation, may contribute to healthier cardiovascular function when combined with appropriate medical care and healthy lifestyle habits. Some studies suggest that regular meditation may help support healthy blood pressure in certain individuals by encouraging relaxation and reducing stress related activation of the nervous system. Meditation should never replace prescribed medications or medical advice, but many healthcare professionals recognize stress management as an important component of overall heart health. The body's immune system may also benefit indirectly from reduced stress. Prolonged psychological stress can influence immune function, making it more difficult for the body to maintain optimal health. By encouraging deep relaxation, meditation may contribute to a healthier internal environment that supports overall well being. Although meditation is not a cure for illness and should not be viewed as a replacement for medical treatment, many practitioners report feeling healthier, more energetic, and better able to recover from everyday physical and emotional demands. One of the most appreciated benefits among busy professionals is increased productivity without feeling overwhelmed. Productivity is often misunderstood as simply working longer hours or accomplishing more tasks. True productivity involves achieving meaningful results while maintaining physical and emotional well-being. Meditation helps many individuals approach work with greater clarity, improved concentration, and reduced mental fatigue. Instead of constantly pushing themselves to exhaustion, they often find that they accomplish more with less internal struggle. This balance between performance and well being is becoming increasingly important in today's demanding work environments. Creativity continues to expand as meditation becomes a long term habit. Innovative ideas frequently arise when the mind is relaxed rather than under pressure. Many writers, musicians, designers, scientists, entrepreneurs, and inventors have spoken about receiving their best ideas during moments of stillness rather than intense effort. While meditation cannot guarantee creative breakthroughs, it creates conditions that many people find supportive of original thinking. By reducing mental noise, practitioners often discover that solutions emerge naturally without forcing them. Another profound benefit is the development of greater patience. In today's fast-paced society, people often expect immediate results in every area of life. Waiting in traffic, standing in queues, dealing with delays, or managing difficult conversations can quickly lead to frustration. Regular meditation helps many practitioners cultivate a calmer relationship with time itself. Instead of feeling irritated by every inconvenience, they begin accepting life's natural rhythms with greater ease. This increased patience positively influences family relationships, parenting, workplace interactions, and personal happiness. Many long-term meditators describe experiencing a deeper connection with themselves. Modern lifestyles encourage constant external activity, leaving little opportunity for self-reflection. We often become so busy meeting responsibilities that we lose touch with our deepest values, aspirations, and purpose. Meditation creates regular periods of quiet during which individuals can reconnect with their inner lives. Over time, many practitioners report feeling more authentic, more aligned with their values, and more confident in making choices that reflect who they truly are rather than simply responding to external expectations. For those interested in spirituality, transcendental meditation can become a meaningful personal practice, although people from many different religious and non religious backgrounds practice it. Some individuals experience meditation primarily as a tool for stress reduction and improved well being, while others describe a growing sense of inner peace, interconnectedness, gratitude, or spiritual fulfillment. These experiences vary widely from person to person, and there is no requirement to adopt a particular belief system in order to practice the technique. Many practitioners appreciate that meditation can complement their existing faith or philosophical outlook rather than replace it. Another commonly reported benefit is increased optimism. When stress dominates daily life, the mind naturally focuses on problems, limitations, and worst case scenarios. As meditation becomes part of a regular routine, many individuals notice that their perspective gradually shifts. Challenges still exist, but they no longer appear overwhelming. Opportunities become easier to recognize, hope becomes more natural, and confidence begins replacing constant worry. This more balanced outlook can influence every area of life, from career advancement to relationships and personal growth. Perhaps one of the most beautiful transformations described by long term practitioners is the gradual emergence of contentment. Modern society constantly encourages people to seek happiness through external achievements, possessions, or recognition. While these accomplishments certainly have value, lasting fulfillment often depends on our inner state rather than external circumstances alone. Meditation reminds us that peace does not always require changing our surroundings. Sometimes it begins by changing our relationship with our own thoughts and emotions. As inner calm grows, many practitioners discover that joy becomes less dependent on temporary circumstances and more rooted in a quiet sense of well being that accompanies everyday life. Consistency is the key that unlocks these benefits. Just as physical exercise strengthens muscles over time, meditation strengthens habits of calmness, awareness, and resilience through regular practice. Missing a session occasionally is unlikely to erase progress, but the greatest benefits are generally reported by those who maintain a steady routine over months and years. Rather than expecting dramatic overnight transformations, experienced practitioners encourage approaching meditation with patience and curiosity. Small changes accumulate gradually until one day people often realize that they are responding to life very differently than they did before beginning the practice. Ultimately, transcendental meditation is not about escaping the world. It is about developing the inner resources needed to participate in the world more fully. It offers an opportunity to cultivate clarity in the midst of confusion, calm in the presence of stress, and balance during times of uncertainty. Whether someone begins meditating to improve focus, reduce stress, sleep better, become healthier, or simply experience greater peace, the practice has the potential to influence many dimensions of life in meaningful ways. While each person's journey is unique, the consistent message shared by many practitioners is remarkably similar. When the mind experiences regular periods of profound rest, life itself often becomes richer, calmer, and more deeply fulfilling. As we explore the many dimensions of transcendental meditation, one truth becomes increasingly clear: its greatest value may not lie in any single benefit but in the cumulative transformation that unfolds over months and years of consistent practice. Most people begin meditation with one specific goal. Some want to reduce stress, others hope to sleep better, improve concentration, overcome anxiety, or simply find a few moments of peace in an otherwise hectic schedule. While these goals are meaningful, many long-term practitioners discover that the practice begins influencing parts of their lives they never expected. The transformation is often gradual, subtle, and deeply personal. Instead of dramatic overnight changes, meditation gently reshapes the way individuals experience themselves and the world around them. One of the most profound long-term benefits is the development of inner stability. Modern life is unpredictable. Careers change, relationships evolve, financial situations fluctuate, and unexpected challenges arise without warning. It is impossible to control every external event, but meditation encourages the development of an inner foundation that remains steady even when circumstances are uncertain. Many practitioners describe feeling less shaken by temporary setbacks because their sense of well being is no longer entirely dependent on external success or failure. This emotional stability allows them to approach life with greater confidence and resilience. Many people also discover that meditation helps them become more present. Our minds often drift between memories of the past and worries about the future, leaving very little attention for the present moment. As a result, we may rush through meals without tasting them, spend time with loved ones while thinking about work, or achieve important goals without truly appreciating them. Through regular transcendental meditation, many practitioners report becoming more aware of the richness of everyday life. Simple experiences such as watching a sunrise, listening to birds, sharing a conversation, or enjoying a quiet cup of tea become more meaningful because the mind is less distracted by constant mental chatter. Presence itself becomes a source of joy.